Money isn't just about numbers, it's about mindset. What if, in just 90 days, your perspective on money could shift from scarcity to abundance? The way people think about money often determines how much of it they attract. Stick around because by the end of this video, you'll learn how to completely transform your mindset around wealth and unlock the financial abundance you deserve. Welcome to 90 Days Better, the channel where personal growth meets real transformation. This video is all about changing how you think about money in just 90 days. We'll break down limiting beliefs, teach you how to build an abundance mindset, and provide practical strategies to manifest financial success. Plus, there's a fascinating fact about the psychology of wealth that might surprise you, so make sure to stay tuned. Many people struggle financially not because they lack intelligence or hard work, but because of deeply ingrained limiting beliefs about money. Common thoughts like money is the root of all evil or I'll never make enough can subconsciously hold anyone back. Research shows that mindset, not circumstance, is often the biggest obstacle to financial success. So how do we break free from these mental barriers? The first week is about awareness. Be real with yourself and start by identifying the limiting beliefs that are keeping you stuck. Spend at least 5 minutes each day writing down your thoughts on money. What comes to mind when thinking about wealth? Something your parents told you? A recent experience? Take note of any negative biases you have and challenge them with evidence-based counter-arguments. For example, instead of money is evil, think money allows me to make a positive impact. Or I can't afford that, to how do I get it? This simple exercise lays the foundation for a new, empowered relationship with money. After identifying limiting beliefs, the next step is to replace them with empowering ones. This is the cornerstone of the second phase. Over the next few weeks, focus on rewiring your brain to adopt an abundance mindset, which views money as a tool for growth, freedom, and opportunity. Repeating basic affirmations like, I am worthy of wealth or money flows to me easily will help prime your subconscious. Practice gratitude, regularly acknowledging the financial blessings you already have, no matter how small they are. Lastly, take time to visualize your success, ideal lifestyle, and financial freedom. As you enter the second month, the focus shifts to taking action. Now that the foundation of an abundant mindset is laid, it's time to break your limitations and start expanding your financial horizons. Start by setting audacious goals. Instead of aiming to save $1,000, aim to earn an extra $10,000 through side hustles, investments, or entrepreneurship. Surround yourself with people who have already achieved financial success. This will help you normalize bigger financial aspirations. Next, diversify income streams. Explore multiple ways of earning money: affiliate marketing, digital products, freelancing, or real estate investment. As you take action toward these larger goals, you'll notice a shift in your confidence and mindset. By the final month, you should feel a significant shift in your perspective on money. You'll notice that the fear and stress around finances have started to dissipate, replaced by excitement and ambition. This is when you start seeing real, tangible results. Manifesting money isn't about wishing for it, it's about aligning your actions and thoughts with your goals. Act as though you already have the wealth and success you desire. This could mean dressing better, speaking with more confidence, or investing in your skills. With your new mindset, you'll be more aware of financial circumstances. Whether it's a new job, a business venture, or an investment, leverage your opportunities. Be proactive and take bold actions. Finally, keep a log of your financial achievements over the past 90 days. Whether it's saving more, earning a side income, or simply feeling more positive about money, track it all. Imagine looking back 90 days from now. You'll have gone from stressing about bills to having multiple streams of income, or from feeling like money is always slipping through your fingers to confidently managing and growing your wealth. This shift is what differentiates those who live in scarcity from those who thrive in abundance. Your mindset is now one of a wealth creator, not a passive observer. The psychological shift you've undergone is backed by science. Research in neuroplasticity shows that the brain can be rewired with consistent positive reinforcement, which is what the past 90 days have been about. In fact, a study from Stanford University shows that individuals with a growth mindset are 34% more likely to achieve their financial goals than those with a fixed one. You've essentially trained your brain to view money as an ally rather than an obstacle. Here's something most people don't know. Studies show that nearly 80% of millionaires are first-generation wealthy. They didn't inherit their wealth, rather they created it from scratch through their thoughts, habits, and actions. This goes to show that building wealth is accessible to anyone who is willing to shift their mindset and work towards it. Congratulations, you've come a long way in the last 90 days. From identifying and breaking limiting beliefs to creating an abundance mindset and manifesting financial success, your journey is just beginning. The transformation you've experienced isn't just about money, it's about reclaiming control over your life and your future. If you found value in this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and browse our other content. 90 Days Better covers a wide range of transformative habits to help you improve every aspect of your life, from mindset shifts to practical strategies for success. Chances are, you could be just one habit away from changing your life for the better. Check out the links in the description for resources that can take your growth to the next level. Until next time, stay motivated and keep growing.